Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be me showing you my wash day routine. I am completely natural. I generally wear my hair in wigs 97% of the time, and so I just wanted to show you guys how I wash my hair. So when I first start off, I like to soak my hair completely in water. I do get a lot of buildup from the gel that I use to either apply my wigs or lay down my natural hair under my wigs. So I just like to get underwater to melt that a little bit. Today I'm going to be using the High Slip Detangling Shampoo, and this is by Shea Moistures. It does have flaxseed oil in it. And basically I'm just going to take this product and really focus on my roots, just applying it directly to my roots, and then I'll go ahead and let it fall down the strands of my hair. So after I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, I like to go through and section my hair into 4 sections. So that's what you'll see me doing here. But while I'm doing that, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the Shea Moistures High Slip Detangling Shampoo. It basically is said to be a anti-shrinkage formula to help show off your lengthy locks. It does contain cocoa butter, red palm oil, and flaxseed oil. This is my first time using it. It claims to leave your hair soft, shiny, and tangle free, and I must say I did have a lot of slip when I was using this product. The next product I'm using is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So basically what I do is just take one of those sections and apply the mask to it. I like to take this opportunity to go ahead and detangle my hair with a large tooth comb. I'm definitely not a naturalista. One of my goals for 2020 is to actually just get more educated on natural hair and my natural hair. So if you have any tips for me, any products you would like for me to check out that you think would be beneficial to me and my hair type, or just something that you're interested in and you would like for me to try out, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to try new products. To be honest, I'm not even sure if I 3C or 4A or 4B. So I've been looking at different textures and stuff like that. So if you guys can seriously give me any tips, because I'm a wig wearer, I'm a weave wearer. I've been doing so for years. I've always had long hair, but going into 2020, I vowed to myself that I will do more natural styles, will wear my hair out a lot more, and I don't want to put heat. So any suggestions you guys can give me. So in this clip, you can see me washing out the mask. I have applied it to all sections of my hair, and now I'm just washing it out. That's me scrubbing my roots, trying to make sure that I'm removing all the product from my hair. And I will say that this product, the Shea Moisture High Slip Detangling Shampoo, it did elongate my hair, and I feel like it kind of stopped it from shrinking so much. So I definitely can attest for that. It definitely did, break the shrinkage up, because you can even see here I don't have much shrinkage. So I'm just taking the clips out of this hair and once again letting my hair run under the water. I love this so much. I love running my head underwater, because if you guys know, if you wear wigs and stuff like that, I keep my braids up for like months at a time. My hair just does better like that. So whenever I can just let the water run through my scalp, oh my gosh, I'm in the shower for hours. So the next product I'm going to be using is this leave-in condition, and this is the red palm oil and cocoa butter leave-in or rinse out conditioner with the flaxseed oil, and it's by Shea Moisture as well. And basically it just says it helps to maximize the appearance of hair length, leaves hair soft and manageable. And I'm basically just using the same technique really pushing and scrubbing my scalp, you know, putting the product on my scalp and letting the rest of it just fall down on the strands of my hair and it get clean that way. So I'm just lifting up the back of my hair, just making sure I get it all throughout. What really made me gravitate towards this product from Shea Moisture is just its promise to elongate and stop the shrinkage from your hair. That's a big deal for me because I am just starting off this natural journey. I'm not really big on like the shrinkage and stuff like that. I kind of already want my hair to be at a certain length, and I know that's going to get even worse when I go in for my trim because I am going to have to cut some of it. So basically, I'm just looking forward to starting this hair journey, and I'm so happy to have you guys along with me on the journey. So now I'm just rinsing all of that conditioner out of my hair, and I must say I really do love these products. I'm having my moment again where I'm just letting the water run down my hair. I just love the feeling. I think I'm starting to fall in love with my hair all over again. So yeah, that was basically the end of this video. I definitely do suggest these products. I'm going to be using them a little bit more just to let you guys know. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.